In this ChromeStore review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create your own e-com store with a few clicks of a button and no annoying complicated software. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ChromeStore, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here. If you purchase this through my link, all these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page together. It says the greatest opportunity of the century, Chrome loophole, exposed $1.9 trillion shopping craze, banks us $454 a day with ChromeStore ready in 60 seconds. No experience, no skills, no website needed, no expenses. So let's ignore they've got a pretty hypey headline here, $1.9 trillion shopping craze. They're just talking about how much people spend online. As far as them making $454 a day with this, I can't verify that for you. Like I always say with these softwares, especially when the income claims are not like 100% verifiable, purchase this not because you think you're going to magically make $454 a day. Purchase it because you want what it actually does. I want to be very clear about that. Now, what this does here, you can use this as choose the niche you want. Use a store like an affiliate store or a drop shipping store. So you can actually create your own affiliate store, your own drop shipping store with this. Step one, you get access to the software, and then step two, you choose the niche, and it gives you a Chrome extension. So you have to use a Chrome browser. With this, you can import hundreds or thousands of products to your store without needing the use of an API key. And you can use it like a drop shipping store, and then your store is ready to make sales for you. So you can go in there and actually make sales and not have to actually deliver products. It's all done for you, etc. So you can see here, there's some like proof here of people making money on Amazon, but I mean, these are just random people that are making money on Amazon. So don't think that, again, I always look at these proof screenshots and testimonials, and I'm always a bit skeptical when I see them. So again, if you're going to purchase this, purchase it because you want a software that does what this does, not because you think it's a magic money printing machine, because that doesn't exist, remember? Okay, so this is the offer you're going to see on the sales page. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the OTOs.
This is made online in the history of the web. Almost all the sales that would have normally been made in shopping malls, on the main streets, or even traveling are now being made online. Now 73% of all sales are made online. Imagine if we could take part in the daily flow of $800 billion. But clearly the problem is, managing a store demands a lot of time and dedication, and it is precisely what we most like today. We have to manage the payment system, to take the taxes, to deliver the product in time to any location, and to support every customer. The problem is that to fill our store with the latest products, to import the product titles, the images of each product, the prices and descriptions takes a lot of time and effort. Not to mention that we need to actualize the prices and the product versions every day. The good news is, the new one-click affiliate ChromeStore, to build and run a store, it's not complicated at all, and we can run it with almost no effort. As the first store builder to run with pre-built niches, it gets you results as fast as today. And we don't have to worry about nothing. We can import products to our store with just one click with a Chrome extension. With the ChromeStore extension, we can get better sales and increased overall productivity, while reducing the time and effort invested to transfer our products to our online store. This way we don't have to manually copy each image, descriptions, prices, that takes hours of boring work. All is done with just one click. Using ChromeStore, we don't need to apply and relay for an Amazon API key, to add products to the store. Instead, with ChromeStore, we can begin to make commissions instantly. Whenever a visitor clicks on a product to buy, they are sent to Amazon. They do all the hard work. To get the cart system in place, to take the taxes, to deliver the product in time to any location, and to track that all goes smooth. And we take a percentage as commission of the sales. We are not responsible for handling anything related to the store, we don't deal with customers and with the shipping of the products. And, there is more. If they buy something else, even such a product that they didn't click on in our store, we'll receive a commission for that as well. We have the store up and running in second on the niche we chose with ready-made templates. We can begin to profit right out of the box. No video creation. No ranking. No paid traffic. In other words, you don't need to do anything tedious, tiring or boring. It's as easy as clicking a few buttons. So what is this going to cost you? $97 a month would be a steal, right? But of course, you aren't going to pay $97 a month. You aren't even going to pay $67 a month. No, not even $47 a month. In fact, you're not going to pay monthly at all. When you act right now during the special introductory period, you can get in, for a tiny one-time investment. Literally less than the price of a sizzling hot pizza. But that's not all. Because we believe in delighting our customers, to make this a no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all the risk for you with our 90-day money-back guarantee. But hurry, act fast because the price goes up every 60 minutes. If you come back later you will pay more. So if you want to tap into the billion-dollar online shopping craze and claim your slice of the pie, then click the Add to Cart button below right now, to lock in your fast action discount and get instant access to ChromeStore at an affordable one-time price. Click the Add to Cart button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases. Thank you for your time and for choosing ChromeStore.
Okay, so after you purchase, you will have multiple OTOs that they offer you. The first one is the unlimited license. It's going to add features and plugins to your site. So this is an optional upgrade for you. Again, it says it'll make it faster for you. Big reasons to upgrade. You can create a lot of websites, fresh supply of done-for-you websites every single month, and some add-on softwares for this. So this is the club version of this. Then they have a traffic version. It says upgrade to start flooding your website with a bunch of traffic. It has, 13 social media sites that it attaches to, a bunch of extra different things that it does, but it's an optional upgrade for you. The next one here is, it says scrap. I think it's supposed to say scrape. Scrape it all from any sites. You can actually pin it, spin it, post it with a few clicks of your mouse and create content for your website. Next one here is a trending topic things. You can add trending topics to your websites. Another one here is a scheduler one to automate your content. Here's another one for Facebook ads. An agency upgrades. You can sell this product like it's your own. And then I believe they have a last one here, private mentorship with them where they're going to teach you how to make money online. Now, all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about ChromeStore and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, the income claims on the sales page, or I can't verify them. If you guys, the creators of this are watching this and you want to post a link to a video verifying your income claims, I'm happy to leave that there. And I'm happy to make a correction in the description on that, but I just can't say that, oh, people are going to make millions of dollars because they buy this. So just know that this is a tool, not a magic button that's going to make you money. What do I like about this? If you're looking for an easy way to create a store using the power of a Chrome application so that you're not going to have to actually have an API key, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ChromeStore, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.